Hello, hello, hello. Tonight I am making honey sriracha salmon bites in the air fryer. And guys, this is a quick and easy protein-rich meal that you can make for your family when you're pressed for time. Let's get started. So first you want to take your salmon and remove the skin. I started at the corner of the smaller end of the salmon and peeled some of the flesh away from the skin. Once you have a piece big enough for you to grip, flip the salmon over and lay it down flat. Then take your knife and place it in between the flesh and the skin. While pressing down on the skin with your other hand, glide your knife forward with the angle slightly down towards the skin and keep going until all of the skin is removed. This is how it should look when you're done. Now I'm going to cut the salmon up into bite-sized cubes. I made slices first that were around about maybe 1.5 to 2 inches thick. Then I went back and cut them again into small cube-sized pieces. They don't have to be perfect, guys. However you decide to cut them is fine. You can have rectangles if you want, okay? When you're done, you want to go ahead and place them in a separate bowl. Then go and grab your grapeseed oil. Now I'm going to drizzle that over the salmon pieces. You don't need a lot, just enough to lightly coat all of the pieces. Now it's time to season. I used garlic powder, some smoked paprika, pink Himalayan salt, of course. Remember to go easy on that salt, not too much. We don't want high blood pressure now. Then add your ground black pepper. And I'm also using this sriracha sprinkle powder that I found at Trader Joe's, my fave market. It's so good, y'all. Now I'm going to go ahead and toss the salmon pieces around with the seasonings. Just tossing and keep tossing them until everything is evenly coated. You want to make sure each piece has enough seasoning on it. Now you're going to go ahead and place them into your baking pan. Now, once you get all of your pieces in the pan, you want to lay them down flat. You don't want them toppled on top of each other or they won't cook evenly. Now, pop those bad boys in the air fryer. And while they're cooking, we're going to go ahead and prepare our glaze that's going on top of our salmon. In a small bowl, add your honey and then grab your sriracha sauce and add that in. And then I'm just taking a fork and mixing it up until it's well mixed. When you're done, just sit it to the side, okay? So when it's almost done, it takes about 6 minutes. Go ahead and grab your glaze and brush or pour it on over all of your salmon pieces, okay? You can put as much of the sauce as you like on there. It's really up to you. This is how much I'm putting on. I didn't want them swimming in the sauce. Then we're going to pop them back in and let them cook for another 2 minutes and then take them out. Well, they are officially done. This is how they should look when they're finished. See that honey bubbling, guys? They just have a little char on them, but they're still very moist and tender, trust me. Now, you can eat them like this or you can pair them with something else. I'm plating mine over top of some jasmine rice. And I took the leftover glaze and drizzled it over the top. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy this video. If you give the recipe a try, please let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and share this video. See ya.